In more local news, a man awaiting trial for murder is now suspected of running a drug smuggling operation inside the Putnam County Jail. Investigators have identified 29-year-old Francisco Arroyo as a member of the Latin Kings Street gang, which has ties to a Mexican drug cartel. News4JAX reporter Eric Avignon has been following this investigation for more than a month. So, Eric, the suspect, he's been transferred to another jail.
Jail officials say that Arroyo had become so familiar with the Putnam County Jail that he attempted to bribe a corrections officer into helping him smuggle illegal narcotics into the facility. So sending him to another jail where he didn't know anyone became the best option. 29-year-old Francisco Arroyo was already an inmate awaiting trial for 1 count of murder and 2 counts of attempted murder when authorities say he started organizing a marijuana and Molly smuggling operation inside the Putnam County Jail.
He attempted to recruit a deputy sheriff of ours to meet with folks on the outside and facilitate a smuggling facility between his associates on the outside of our facility through the deputy sheriff bringing narcotics into our jail.
Investigators say one of his associates on the outside was a woman whom he stayed in contact with, but his alleged smuggling plans were foiled when the corrections deputy that he attempted to bribe turned him in.
The deputy sheriff even took it a step further and agreed to assist us in an undercover operation.
That operation led to Arroyo facing attempted smuggling charges. It also led to Arroyo being transferred to the St. Johns County Jail.
It's for the safety of our inmates, our employees, and to put him in an unfamiliar location where he hadn't already began to use his influence to corrupt folks.
Major Scott Surrency is the jail director. He says he and his staff have taken many steps to prevent illegal narcotics from entering the jail, especially around inmates who may be trying to kick a drug habit. But he says smugglers go to a great length to bring narcotics into the facility.
We've seen things hidden behind postage stamps, things hidden inside decorative cards, inside the decorations on the cards, and there are just a number of ways. We've had Bibles with the spine filled with drugs and tobacco, and it's just as creative as they can be.
As for Arroyo, investigators are not mincing words about his documented criminal history.
And he just belongs behind bars the rest of his life. So the quicker we can get through, hopefully, as a conviction in his murder case and the fruition of these charges and get him off the Department of Corrections, the better off we'll all be.
Now, this is an ongoing investigation, and according to Colonel Wells, investigators expect to file more charges, and they may be looking at making more arrests in this case. Reporting live, Eric Avignon, Channel 4, the local station.